Spraying herbicide is a fast and cost-effective way to control the growth of grass and weeds along the highways. But operating a sprayer takes more than flipping a switch and driving a truck. You need to understand the proper way to mix chemicals, know pressure regulators, and so on. In fact, ODOT safety guidelines require that you take an herbicide class and get certified before you can spray herbicide on the state highways. To become certified in the proper operation and application of spraying, please ask your supervisor to enroll you in the herbicide class. Upon completion, you will be familiar with the proper procedures in calibration and operation of ODOT sprayer equipment. But even if you're not certified, you may be called upon to help with the installation of the tank. Here's how it's done. In order to install the sprayer tank in the dump bed, you must remove the tailgate first. Back the truck up to the tailgate hanger and attach the chains to the tailgate. Next, remove the tailgate chains from the dump bed and remove the hinge pins at the top of the tailgate. Unhook the tailgate latch. Pull forward slowly to reduce excessive swinging of the tailgate. Always make sure that the area around the tailgate is clear and that bystanders are far enough away to avoid getting hurt. To load the sprayer tank with the dump bed still slightly raised, drive under the hanging tank. Unfasten the chains that the tank is hanging from at the front. Then lower the dump bed and take the chains off the back. Now slowly drive forward. To keep the tank from sliding in the dump bed, first secure the back of the tank by strapping the tank down. Simply throw a strap over the tank and secure the hook on the passenger's side of the dump bed. Then, attach the other hook on the driver's side of the dump bed. Tighten the strap with the ratchet and store the remainder of the strap. Next, connect the power from the tank to the truck. To fill the tank, line up the truck under the water supply pipe. When the tire hits the mark on the beam, that means the hole on top of the tank lines up with the water line. Allow the tank to fill up with water approximately 80% before you add the chemicals. By the way, if you put the chemicals in first, the water pressure will create a toxic foam and spill out of the tank. While you're filling the truck with water, start the tank's engine. The engine has a perforated pipe attached to it that runs to the inside of the tank and keeps the water circulating. The circulation is necessary to keep the chemicals suspended. Once the tank is full, pull forward, close the lid, and you're on your way. In addition to the hanging tanks, ODOT also uses freestanding tanks as well. To install the tank with the tailgate removed, raise the dump bed slightly. That will lower the back end of the dump bed and allows you to scoop up the front of the tank. Continue to back up. The dump bed will lift the tank's front legs off the ground and folds them under the tank's frame. At the rear of the tank, the frame will line up with the tailgate latch. Lower the dump bed to its horizontal position. Lowering it will take the weight off the back legs of the tank's frame. Raise the back legs further off the ground and use the safety pin to keep them in place. Do the same on the other side. Next, connect the electric wire from the tank to the truck. Finally, secure the tank with a tie-down strap. Place one hook on the outside of the dump bed, throw it over the tank, and place the other hook on the other side of the dump bed. Use the ratchet to tighten the strap. Fold and store the remainder of the strap. You're now ready to fill up the tank and be on your way.